Hi, my name is Samit Gambhir. Stories Worth Sharing asks you a question: what will you ask an actor/content creator if you ever met one? I have some really good questions here. Preeti asks, how do you pick up good content? In short, you can't really. It's really like, even if I'm picking up content, it will be from my perspective. मैं अपने नज़रिए से उसे देख रहा हूँ, तो मेरे नज़रिए से जो अच्छा है शायद आपको अच्छा ना लगे. But as a content creator, if you are creating on a daily basis, you start understanding things which are working for you, for your channel, for your genre. And that is how it is. And most of it is really hit and trial. Sometimes what you think is going to do really well does not really do well. And sometimes a video which you captured chalte firte does a million views. It's as simple as that. So it's really hit and trial. You experiment with it and you find what works for you. Second is Tanmay. He asks, and I'm really excited about this one, how to portray a character knowing that everyone is going to criticize that at some point. Thing is, if at any point, and this was there in the beginning, when I was starting out as an actor, I used to think what people think of me, या मेरे उसको देख के ऐसा सोचेंगे. But unless and until you lose that, where you stop caring about what people think, how they think about what you performed, how you performed, you will not be free enough to perform. Like, that has to be that is you can't negotiate with that one thing. You have to stop giving a fuck about what people think, really. Like, you can't work without that, really. So जब वो हो जाता है, when you stop caring about that, then you discover a side of your freedom which liberates you as an actor. And it's just like you reach a next level of the game. उसमें Simarjot asks, how do I overcome writer's block? It's a very subjective thing. पहले जो मेरे लिए आज से 2 साल पहले writer's block जो काम करता था is not the same what happens now. Maybe jerking off works for you, man. I mean, I don't know what works for you, right? So for me, what works is I just take a walk. I just go and eat a brownie. I just stroll around. I do whatever I feel like at that moment. कई बार मैं सीरीज देखता हूँ, लाइक फ्रेंड्स के बीच में से फ्रेंड्स के एपिसोड्स उठा के मुझे अच्छा लगता है, या फिर कोई और सीरीज के उठा के कोई मूवी देखता हूँ रिपीटली. मैं आई एम अ ह्यूज फैन ऑफ मार्वल कॉमिक्स एंड MCU. मैं वो देखता हूँ रिपीटली. दैट वर्क्स फॉर मी टू रिमूव अ सर्टेन restraint that I put on myself. And writer's block is nothing but basically you telling yourself that you're stuck in essence, and just to distract yourself from what you're doing और उसके बारे में ना सोचना, that essentially removes it. But more importantly, if you really come to terms with it, okay, now I'm not able to think anymore, okay, this is what it is, rather than getting frustrated about it, that really helps. So really come to terms with it and do what you feel like at that particular moment. It's not really set. So do what you feel like. That's it. Thank you so much for watching this. If you have any other questions, write in the comments below, and do follow Story Worth Sharing. They tell some amazing stories, alright? And if you want to check my work out, then my handle is @SamitGambhir on all platforms. Do that now. Do it. Jao. Ab jao. Okay, bye. See you.